Hi, I'm Matias. I'm the founder of PRLab. Welcome to the YouTube channel where we discuss everything about doing PR in digital era. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very encompassing guide to navigate healthcare and health tech PR in this new landscape that we're in. I hope you are as excited as I am, and let's dive right in. So let's start with the definitions and what's the difference between the two. Healthcare PR focuses on traditional healthcare organizations such as hospitals, clinics, pharmaceutical companies, medical practices, and healthcare nonprofits. So it's all about building trust with patients, healthcare professionals, and communities around established medical services and treatments. On the other hand, we have health tech PR. So what is health tech PR? It's all about technology companies that are disrupting healthcare. It's not the same as healthcare companies. It's technology companies that are disrupting the healthcare space. Think about AI diagnostics, telemedicine platforms, AI drug discovery, wearable health devices, technology to communicate in the healthcare sector, digital therapeutics, and health data analytics companies. So healthcare PR is focused on building trust, credibility, and patient outcomes. So what are some of the do's and don'ts in healthcare PR? So let's start with what are some of the things that you should absolutely be doing. First is investing in thought leadership. You have to position your executives as industry experts through speaking engagements, research publications, data stories, news tracking, editorial content creation, etc. You should also definitely leverage clinical data and evidence to support your statements and to back up your existence, basically. You should also be building relationships with healthcare journalists, naturally, that's part of media relations, and focus on patient outcomes, whether it's faster diagnosis, reduced cost, or improved quality of life. Always tell your story back to and bring the story back to real human impacts. Do comply with all regulations, and this is really important, especially with like FDA or HIPAA and other regulatory requirements. It's really important to always stay within legal terms to ensure that every piece of content is aligned with the expectations of these organizations. And always be prepared for crisis scenarios. As I said at the beginning of this video, healthcare is one of the most scrutinized industries, and it's really important that you stay on track. Always use patient stories ethically as well, because with proper consent and privacy protection, real patient experiences are your most powerful PR assets. Now let's talk about the things that you should not be doing. Don't rush to respond to crisis. Don't ignore regulatory guidelines. Don't make unsupported health claims. Don't overlook patient privacy. Don't treat all media the same, and this is really important. Different journalists have different levels of understanding and expertise, which means different levels of scrutiny. Don't overpromise timelines, and don't ignore the patient voice, because healthcare isn't just B2B. Real people are affected by every decision. Ignoring patient perspectives will backfire at one point. Now let's talk a little bit about healthcare PR trends. The healthcare PR landscape is evolving rapidly. Here are some of the trends that are shaping the space that we're in. AI and machine learning integration, we all know that. Every healthcare company now is either using AI or looking into adopting some AI sort of function to optimize their processes. Personalized medicine focus, this is also something that we see happening more and more. Precision healthcare, genetic testing, and individualized treatments are mainstream now, and PR strategies are shifting from mass market messaging to personalized targeted communications. Mental health destigmatization. Mental health is finally getting the attention it deserves. Companies addressing psychological wellness have unprecedented opportunities for meaningful PR impacts. Patient-generated content is also one of the latest trends in healthcare PR. User-generated content and patient advocacy are driving more authentic, trust-building PR strategies than traditional corporate messaging. So why should you consider PRLab for healthcare and health tech PR? So first, we understand the complexity. We are very specialized in the field. We have worked with a lot of companies in this field. We know the importance of explaining why AI is gonna influence the field, why it's important to leverage patient-generated content. We also understand the regulatory landscape, the key journalists, and the key stakeholder dynamics. We focus on evidence-based storytelling. Every campaign we build is grounded in clinical data, market research, and medical outcomes. We have the relationships that matter. We know the key writers, the key editors, the key players in your field, and we have delivered results that matter, that help these companies grow. And you can see that in our case studies. We have worked with companies like Silo, like Ictos, like Hydrogenics Pharma, many companies in the field. We have first tried to get a good understanding of what the business goals were, and then we created solid KPIs around that to help them scale and hit their business goals with the power of PR. We have teams across time zones, which is also something that is very beneficial for your PR efforts. So this was your complete guide to healthcare and health tech PR. If this was helpful, I suggest you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more PR insights. Drop a comment below about your biggest healthcare PR challenge. Just for your peace of mind, I read every single comment that we get and I will reply to it. So let's get in touch. And if you're building something in healthcare or health tech, check out the case studies that I share with you. And who knows, maybe get in touch with us and see if we are a fit for each other. Thank you.